Katmak tian bat kajingnya tiat miat apa yang kidikot kayang dorbar kelami haborok sausni jok dorbar senrai bat kelas sedang na kajingnya tay ya kamat bedai bat kajing kenok kayi be anyu doyong kabalami aka kenta keli jingkeli hakasni ke benengkong. Kani katmak tian kelami apa yang UMLA ke Kongres narang sakwana Zenit M Sangma bat menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma halor kajing keli bedai bu doyong balai pu arlak metric ton. Haba jubahab ega jingkeli Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula batai kendiat ke history halor udoyong balai pu arlak metric ton henreu Zenit M Sangma ula dawa bau menteri rang ba udai ban aibet ega jubahab ban umdai ban kran kelannya ke jubahab. Namar ke jingyai penthut ega jing jubahab menteri rang ba ke jela uloong bau Zenit M Sangma pat long ubreu ba i ega jing mujing berkat bat seiru ega jing keno badai keseng kongres ke bapenmi unu udoyong balai pu arlak metric ton hakasnam arajar katsan. U Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula penbenah hagani kesngi bagi sorkar kala penbenah ban aino ada kejing siau basan hajar tengkai kinu gibrio kiba ai kejing tip ak baydai bat kejing ti bajing kai be anyu udoyong kenang bantek lakam ya kene kakam bomman kejing yata ya kene kamat glane jan cikenta namar kejing sim benta jong kiba bon ki MLA ban bo jing keli ke sorkar watla lamang ba ka kenta keli jing keli kiba bon kimat kan long thik tang cikenta.
The member cannot keep disturbing me, sir.
Just
this is
to
not
correct his
correct.
reply, he's contradicting the reply, his own reply only. As the first instance,
Sir,
he said 1.3 crore. Now he is saying 1.4 crore, which is to be accepted. He is contradicting his reply.
Okay, can you just clarify?
We can see from the record, sir.
Right.
Yeah.
Initially, he said 1.3 crore metric ton. Now he is saying 1.4 crore. He is chief minister.
So this amount was declared that time in 2015 only. So it's not something that we have created now. So from 2014-15, when honorable member also was a minister in the government, that is when this particular coal already was declared. So therefore, if he is questioning whether this coal is there or not, he should have questioned it that time, sir, when he was in the government. This was done back in 2014-15. So therefore, I think it's...
Speaker, sir.
Sir, he's again disturbing,
Mr. Speaker, sir.
Sir, does he want to reply or no?
Honorable Chief Minister is...
Sir, this is not correct. This is not done, sir.
I am asking about the...
I did not disturb him when he is asking questions. He should not disturb when I am replying.
At 32 lakhs.
Please, you are a senior member. Understand how you should deal with the situation. Sir, this is not done,
I am asking about the 32
You cannot disturb. You cannot disturb, sir.
This government has declared as inventory before the Supreme Court on the 3rd July. Specific question.